Hello and welcome to the tutorial about install Active Directory into Windows Server 2019. The first thing is to set up a virtual machine with Windows Server 2019 if there is no access to a physical test server. First, I go to the Windows Server Manager. Then I go to the dashboard. Then I go to the Windows Server and add rules and features. Here is a small overview of the things that can be installed. Here I chose whether I want to do role-based, feature-based installation or a remote desktop service installation. Now I choose the right pool. Now I select the Active Directory domain services. I add features. More features can be added. In my case, this is not necessary. Here is a small overview of the whole installation. I click on Next. I click Install to begin the installation. I click to close the application. I click the yellow exclamation mark at the top and choose a new domain. I click Promote this server to a domain controller. Add a new forest. I have created the name test.local. I create the password.
Okay.
Make the password password1. Do not register a DNS delegation. This makes automatically. Leave NetBIOS name as it is. Click Next, and if no error message appears, click Install. Click to Next. And if no error message appears, click Install. After the installation, the computer will be started automatically and it should be possible to log in to the domain. My domain is test.local. As a last step, I check the server for error messages. This make in local server. Thank you for your attention. I hope it worked for you. The next tutorial about Windows Server coming soon.